Union Unit 1148. Okay, let's head upstairs. This unit is 1,123 square feet. They have one more unit about to become available that's 1,200 square feet. It's almost exactly the same. If I understand correctly, all three rooms that I'm about to show you, including this room, are the same, except for it extends 2 feet farther towards the street, or in that direction. The finishes are the same, with the Hershey's Kiss lights, quartz counters. We couldn't get this kitchen light on, sorry. In the 1,200 square foot unit, this, from what I understand, is moved over here, so it's a wraparound. And we have quartz counters over here, so a little more counter space. Here is the eat-in dining area. We couldn't get the slide on, sorry. So these are vertical blinds rather than the 2.5 inch faux wood that we saw at the other apartments. Quartz counters in here. And the laundry room. For some reason, we couldn't get this light on either. I'm not sure what kind of car you drive, but there are a couple of car chargers that right now are free. So when I called, they did say that it was furnished. Obviously it's not, but they recommended the same company for furnishing as the other apartment complex did, which is Court, who supposedly does 3-month rentals. And he wanted me to point out that if I am currently standing in the position in which the couch will likely be, you have the cutout on the wall, which makes the room feel much larger.